This is why you need these key skills to excel in data engineering. Let's get started. First up, SQL. This is your bread and butter for querying databases. Master it, and you'll handle data like a pro. Next, Python. It's the go-to language for data manipulation and automation. Learn it well, and you'll streamline your workflows. Then, get comfy with big data tools like Hadoop and Spark. They're essential for handling massive datasets efficiently. Data modeling is another must-have skill. It helps you structure data in a way that's logical and efficient. Don't forget about ETL processes: extract, transform, load. Knowing how to move and clean data is crucial. Finally, cloud platforms like AWS and Azure are game changers. They offer scalable solutions for data storage and processing. Nail these skills, and you'll be on your way to becoming a top-notch data engineer. Ready to start your journey? Let's get to it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.